Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we are with the authors of Magical Powers of Gratitude.
I'm Akhilesh Kumar, Chartered Accountant, practicing Chartered Accountant.
I'm Shivani Gupta. I'm a lead author of Magical Powers of Gratitude. Have just launched our book, and we are so happy to meet everyone in person, as well as launch our book here at Word Book Fair 2024.
Hello everyone, I am CA Kalpana Thakur, Chartered Accountant by profession and motivational speaker, corporate trainer, and from today an author as well. So today is the magical day because of gratitude, because it has changed our life, and how it changed and how you can do it. That's what our book is all about.
Hi, I am Jatin Grover. I am a electronics engineer and I'm into renewable energy field for more than 12 years. I am one of the co-authors of this great book.
First of all, congratulations for all of you for releasing this book.
Thank you.
So, how many authors are involved in this in total?
18
So
authors.
18 authors.
Oh my god, I don't think I've seen. Yeah,
Stories into the book.
It's all
right.
about the real life stories
Right.
and the experiences.
So, how did all of you find each other and decide on working on this project
So we
together?
would like to say went on a virtual sessions on book reading, and we read the Magic by Rhonda Byrne together. And we went a step further to implement these practices.
Right.
And while implementing these practices, we got magnificent results that held us together to an idea which was suggested by our mentor, C. Raj Kumar Adukya sir. And we get into this idea. We took action. It took us a year-long journey to frame this book, and everybody contributed their experiences. And we framed these 21 best gratitude practices into this book that has the power to transform anyone's life. And these practices deal with all areas of our lives. So gratitude is the only answer. We all are always complaining of what is not there. But this book and the practices of gratitude will lead us to a life where we will shift from a complaining mindset to a grateful mindset.
That's wonderful. So, writing in itself is a challenging process, but now writing with 18 people and collaborating will pose its own challenges, right? So, what are some of the hardest things that you had to go through in this whole process?
So the hardest thing was like getting the write-ups with all of them. So I need to keep pushing them all to take action, to write, submit, and then there were several rounds of editing that went into to frame this book in this shape. And I promise that this book is a real gem. It has the power to transform anyone's life. It will help people develop an unbreakable belief. We have given the subtitle as well. So believe in the powers of universe as well as powers of gratitude.
Right. I'm definitely grateful to share a stage with so much brain power. I don't think we've had that here. Yeah. But anyways, thank you guys so
Thank
much
you,
for
sir.
joining us.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. I hope you have a
We
good
feel
book.
blessed to be there here at
Right.
Word Book Fair.